Hello everyone and welcome back to the 7th C++ tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at taking dynamic input from the user. So what is dynamic input and what do you mean by it? Now let's say in the previous videos as we did, let's say we took a variable and we basically initialized it to a certain value, let's say like this, int a equals 43. But let's say you designed a real world program and in which the program needs to basically ask the user to enter a certain value, and if let's say I was the user and I entered 2 as the value, and let's say there's another user, that user may enter 3 as the value. So basically it may differ from user to user as to what type of value he or she wants to enter. Now, so in order to solve that issue, we'll be using this dynamic input method. So in that case, we'll basically declare a certain variable, let's say int a, and then we'll put in a cout statement. And in the cout statement, we'll basically ask the user to enter a number. And then we'll basically need to use a special keyword. Let me just increase the font size. Now we'll basically use a special keyword named cin, just opposite of cout. The opposite of out is in, so cout, opposite of cout, cin. And in case of cout, we use the double less than sign. In case of cin, we'll be using the double greater than sign. And herein you need to put in the name of the variable, which in this case is a, or whatever the variable name is in your case. So just put that variable name and put a semicolon. Now whenever the output screen or whenever the program will run, it will basically pop up with a message asking the user to enter a certain number. Let's capitalize this n. So asking the user to enter a certain number, and let's say the user enters 2 or maybe 3 or whatever, that particular value will be stored inside this a variable. Now after the user enters the value inside this particular a variable, you can do whatever types of operations you want. Alright, so let's say I'm just doing a simple print statement. So cout the number is a endl. Alright, so I'm putting out a basic cout statement which will basically print out the number as entered by the user. So let's run this example. So as you can see, it is basically asking us to enter the number as we had printed, as we had put in inside this cout statement. Exactly, it is being printed as it is. Alright, so enter a number. So let's say we put in here 45 and press enter. The number entered is, or the number is 45. Alright. Now you can do the same thing with strings as well. Let's do it with the string. Let's say for example string name, and if we just cout enter your name. In the next line we'll put in cin double greater than sign name, and then we'll do a basic print statement which will basically print out your name is name, and it will basically end the line. Right, so let's run this example. So first it's asking us to enter the number which was the first case. So we'll enter, let's say 33 in this case. The number entered is 33, and now it's asking us to enter our name. So we'll put in a name. I'll put in my name, Dhruvajyoti, and if I press enter, and as you can see, it has printed out your name is Dhruvajyoti. Let's close this program and rerun it with a different value. So enter a number, let's say 900. Press enter. The number entered is 900. Enter your name. Let's say we put in here my favorite footballer, Robin van Persie. So just put in Robin and press enter. As you can see, Robin. Alright, so that's it for this video. In this way you basically take in dynamic input from the user and store it into a certain value, certain variable, and then you can use that particular variable in whatever type of operations you want inside that particular program. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.